guys, welcome back to Awesome Origami by ASCAD. So these are the two DIYs which I've made. Alright, so this one I did it seeing a YouTube video, and that's a Tesla Cybertruck, by the way. You can just search how to make a Tesla Cybertruck in YouTube and you can see. Well, this is a Dodge Challenger, a 2017 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and I did it by my own. I didn't see any YouTube video, nothing. I just did it like that only, by my own creativity and imagination. So I will be releasing a video soon of how to make that, but in that video I will not be making that again. I'll just be explaining. In full detail how I made it. Like for example, I'll be telling like, take a cardboard box, cut it into this much, and like that. All right, and also this is the just a quick tip. Okay, so when I was some 5 or 6, I'd broken all the wheels of this Audi R8. Alright, and now I've fixed it. So basically how to fix it is, just take a bottle, just take 4 bottle caps, or how many, so just take a bottle cap which fits the car which the wheels you've broken. And okay, this is not just for this car, this is for any car of any size. Just take that size bottle cap, pierce a hole through that bottle cap the size of the axle. All right, and then just fit the bottle cap into there. So now it turns, and it's fixed. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.